guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how I plan out my semester. I'm going to bring you guys along vlog style, just really casual, showing you how I plan it out. So today is Sunday before classes start for spring semester. I like to kind of have an idea in my brain of everything that's going on this semester and get organized, understand the syllabuses, get all my textbooks ordered, you know, I don't know, just get everything ready. Know that this video is up so late, but I actually don't start classes until tomorrow because I have a 7-week winter break. That is what we're going to be doing today. I hope you guys like this and let's get started. Yesterday I moved back in and I just unpacked everything and did some laundry. I have maybe like one other load I needed to do today. And yeah, it is like 9:30. I woke up at 8 and I just made breakfast, which I still need to eat. So I made some oatmeal and I just topped it with blueberries, bananas, and some fruit, dried fruit and nuts. I made my iced coffee, which I showed you guys how to make on my Insta. Actually, I'm going to eat my breakfast and then I'll be back. Okay, so I just ate my breakfast. So I have out my planner, my laptop, and you guys do the same if you guys want to kind of follow along with me. I use the Passion Planner. I used this last year too, and I actually did a video showing you guys how I use it, but it's changed so much. I'll have it linked down below, but if you guys want me to do an updated version, I would love to do that. And really, this is the best thing you can get to kind of start your semester off. Something that really works for you, or even if a planner, you want to do something digitally with Google Calendars or Apple Calendars, so it's all synced on your phone and your laptop. And actually, I'm going to do a quick haul before we get started with the planning part with everything that I got to kind of get ready for the semester. This isn't like helping me get organized or anything, but I just wanted a new little tote bag to wear to class. But I got this one off Amazon. It's really cute. It's like geometric. It's super cute. I got a new folder. I don't know what exactly everybody uses for note taking, but I use computer paper oftentimes because I'm a marketing student, so a lot of times we use like visual kind of graphics. And last semester I had this cute portfolio notebook. I got this guy from Home Goods. So the story of this is that I saw this exact same one at Home Goods a year ago, $25. So I was like, maybe I'm not gonna get it because it's expensive for a folder. What would I use it for? And then every day since then I've regretted it. I go into Home Goods every time I'm near Home Goods to search for this, and I finally found it again, so I couldn't pass it up. So I'm using this as a folder. I was going to use it as a laptop sleeve for my laptop. I do have this palm leaf case, which is from Amazon as well, which I'll have linked. I got a new pencil bag, which is this leopard one from Spade from H&M from years ago, but it's getting really gross and dirty, so I'm switching it to this Kate Spade one. What else did I get? Oh, I also got a new water bottle because I'm really trying to eat better, cleaner, drinking more water, taking my vitamins. So I got this water bottle from BKR, I don't know. I will have it linked down below. It's from Nordstrom, and it's a black spiky water bottle. It's super cute. Now that that haul part is done, let's actually get started with the planning, shall we? So I'm going to pull up a Google Doc. I'm going to get my planner and then probably some sheets of computer paper. Something that I've already done over winter break was to plan out my finances. So I printed out all my bank statements from last semester and calculated how much I was spending in each category, whether that was gas, groceries, eating out, clothing, beauty products, all that kind of stuff. And so I did that, and then I created a budget for the semester. And if you guys want me to do my college budget, I can share that with you guys. So another thing that I've kind of planned out is what I want each day to kind of be like. So I'm somebody that likes a routine, and so if you're not type A like I am, then this wouldn't really, like, you don't really need to do this. For me, Sunday is supposed to be a catch-up day, a relaxing day. It's just kind of getting ready for the week. So I want to do my nails, I want to go grocery shopping that day, plan for the week, kind of little stuff, maybe meal plan. Monday I planned that I wanted it to be a filming day because I have 2 classes in the morning and then a class in the afternoon, so in between there is like a good short enough amount of time but also long enough that I won't be distracted enough. I've decided on Tuesdays and Thursdays I have an 8:30, I have class from 8:30 to 11 a.m. and after that I kind of want to work on my homework like it's a 9-to-5 job. Like, that's what I'm trying to think of it as, so that at the rest of the night I have whatever time to do whatever I need. So just get all of my homework, go to a library or wherever, even come back here if I need to, and just pound out homework on Tuesdays and Thursdays, and those really be my homework days. Wednesday, I haven't really decided. And Friday for me would also be a film day. I only have one class at 10 a.m. And so Monday and Friday could be my filming and editing days. Just to kind of get the week started. And Friday, I never really want to do homework anyways, so YouTube's a lot more fun than that, so I can kind of dedicate the day to that and also do that kind of 9 to 5, so that by 5 o'clock, it's really the weekend. I just grab a piece of computer paper and like a Sharpie and just, or like a pen, and just write that out. Just write out like an idea of what you want each day to be by looking at your class schedule and stuff like that. Also, I am co-PR marketing director with one of my friends for our school's fashion club, and this semester we are doing our fashion show. I also planned out on a little notebook paper, or on a little computer paper, kind of my plan for the semester for that. So kind of each month how I'm going to prepare, do marketing meetings with our committee, and how each meeting can kind of, what the theme would be leading up to the fashion show. Also for this semester, I've kind of planned out my business plan for my YouTube. So I listed like 50 video ideas that I want to do for different topics, and when I would want to do them. I made like a faux social media calendar. The next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go to my school's student website portal, and I'm going to look at every single class's roster and like what their schedule is, what the syllabus is, and just read through that, because that's important so you're not like blindsided on the day of. And then I'm going to look at textbooks. I know for 2 of my classes they've already said that we need the textbooks, so I'm going to look on Amazon, and I'm going to look through our bookstore to see which one's cheaper, and if I need a new textbook with like the access code, or if I need it just like a copy of it, then I can just get it really cheap and rent it. After I have calculated all of the textbook prices and everything like that, I need to pay off my sorority dues for this semester. I need to buy the textbooks, and after I have all those expenses, you know, calculated, I'm going to update my budget for this semester. I need to look at the calendar for fashion club, and I need to look at my sorority calendar. We do spring recruitment, I think I said that, and so recruitment starts this Friday, so I really need to get everything sorted and see when our workshops are. So I'm just going to do all of that real quick. It's about 10 o'clock now, and just check all of that, and yeah. Hi guys, so it's a couple of hours later. I had lunch. I need to go get my spray tan before the week starts. I'm pretty pale, so, and recruitment is this weekend, so I'm just gonna get one spray tan, so I'm tan for the first week of classes, and then for recruitment, that is what I'm gonna go do, and then I will check back in when I get. Hi guys, so I just got my spray tan done, and I was just looking at my notepad and looking at the rest of the stuff that I have to do. So today I have planned out both for my extracurricular activities, my goals for that. I've planned out my business plan for YouTube. I've also made an internship list for the ones that I'm applying to. I went through and bought my textbooks, and I also went through all of my calendars. Yeah, I took an Instagram photo, which is part of my day. The background is yellow. This lighting on this vlog camera sucks, but I also washed my down comforter that goes under the white comforter, and then my pillowcases too, so it's good to just have a fresh start. I also need to print off some syllabuses, which actually I'm gonna paint my nails first and then go print off the syllabuses and then throw them in my new folder. I just painted my nails. Can you see? Can't tell, but I did white shellac on my nails, and I just put in another load of laundry, and I'm going to pick out my outfit for tomorrow. So I have this little guy over here, and it's just like a marble one from Target. I set it up as like a diagram, and I put all of the big things that I have to do for the week. I also put this kind of map in my planner as well, so when I'm not in my room, I have the list. So what I do is I just write this week, put it in a box like that. So the first thing coming up is to edit. So I need to edit this video, film haul, send packages. Okay. Okay guys, so I have the coconut oil in my hair. I want to take my makeup off, but I can't yet because it's actually only 8 o'clock, so I still have an hour and a half until I can take off my spray tan. So that is it. I know this video wasn't like super structured or a sit down video, but I hope you guys really enjoyed it and hopefully it was helpful. If you guys want me to do normal college days in the life vlogs, then let me know. But I'm excited for the semester and to be posting more, so be sure to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment because that really helps. And thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.
I've been sipping on some California wine.